In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Hubspot Helpdesk. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just exploring its latest features, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you're fully equipped to make the most out of this useful tool. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage. If you haven't been there before, you can find it by searching for HubSpot in your preferred search engine, or you can simply type in the URL directly. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice a lot of information about their software and tools designed to boost your business efficiency. But for now, let's focus on the top right hand corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Give it a click to proceed. After clicking Login, you will be prompted to enter your user credentials. If you don't have an account, you might need to sign up first, but assuming you have an account, go ahead and enter your email and password. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot home. This is the central hub where you can access all the different areas of HubSpot's platform. Next, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. You should see several options there, including sales, marketing, and service. For today's demonstration, we're going to focus on the service section. Click on Service, and this will take you to a list of features related to customer service and support. Among these options, locate and click on Help Desk. The Help Desk is a feature designed to help you manage customer inquiries and support tickets efficiently. By selecting the Help Desk option, you'll be taken to the Help Desk main page where all your customer tickets are organized. Here you can create new tickets, assign them to team members, and keep track of their status. You can also take advantage of various functionalities, such as filtering tickets based on priority or status, and you can configure response templates to ensure quick and consistent communication with your clients. The Help Desk is all about streamlining your customer service processes and maximizing productivity, so take some time to explore its features. By now you should have a clear understanding of how to access and navigate the new HubSpot Help Desk. It's a straightforward tool, but it packs a punch when it comes to enhancing your team's efficiency and improving client relations. Remember to visit HubSpot's library of resources for additional support. Happy exploring, and thank you for tuning in to today's guide.